Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be giving Wendy a haircut. And if you don't know who Wendy is, let me go get her. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. Alright. Come here, Wendy. Come here. Oh. Okay. This is Wendy. I am not a dog groomer. But as you can see, little pound puppy here is in desperate need of a haircut. Wendy has hair, she doesn't have fur, so it definitely grows and needs to be cut. So I cut human hair, so I think I could do this. I have different clippers than my human clippers. These are going to be using the Andes. I have 3 different blades. So I only have a couple different sizes, and like I mentioned before, I'm not a dog groomer. But you're gonna get you fixed up. Winch. Alright. Say, here's for a glow up. I'm just gonna start brushing her. Her hair is very matted. Don't let her fool you. She's well taken care of. She just chooses to go sleep in bushes in her pastime. She did get stuck in a fly trap, so I did give her a bath not too long ago, but I didn't trim her hair. So there are some sticky stuff still left that we definitely have to be mindful of. There you go. There you go, Wendy. Good girl. Curling up in a little ball. It's okay, Wendy. Oh, little pound puppy. She always looks so sad. You're okay. So I'm going to start with the shortest blade, and I do have some extensions, blade extensions. That way we can cut a longer length to get some of this bulk off before we can actually do some detailed work. Are you ready? Yeah? You ready for a haircut? Oh. I brought this for me. So I could protect myself. Perfect. All right. Let's start with your feet. Oh, it's okay. Come here. I don't think my cape worked very well. Where do I start? Okay, this is a really long one, so I'm just going to go for it. I don't think... So this one is basically the length of her hair right now, so this is just going to clean up the long. Yeah, it's barely like taking anything off. Alright. Clip 2. This one's much shorter. Okay, that one is also too long. All right, bring in the big gun. I'm sorry, Wendy, but we gotta get this hair off. I think we'll be okay with this one. We'll just start at your feet. Start at your feet. I don't think these clippers are very powerful. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This is... Alright. Screw protection. We might need to invest in getting Wendy some new clippers. You're sitting so good though, Wendy. Thank you. Woo! Don't do that. Now I gotta do the other side. Alright. Alright, we're getting somewhere now. I would say this is similar to like cutting a child. Is you gotta go really slow and make sure they don't move. You're doing a good job, Wendy. Good job. Doing great, kids. Doing great. We're getting somewhere. Much better. Yep, that's Jacob. You know that person. No, stay over here. Okay. Wendy, you're okay. You're okay. Doing good, Mama. Doing good. You're okay. You're okay. It's just Jacob. It's okay. You're okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. You're okay. You're okay, Wendy. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. It's a lot harder than I anticipated this to be. I usually have to give emotional support to my clients. I should have thought no different towards an animal clients. Wendy's getting through it. She's doing good. She's Definitely is wanting to break off this table though. Getting there though. Well, I gave my client a break and we got a lot of hair off of her. She's definitely not done, but I think she's definitely done with me at least. I'll show you. Wendy, we're not done. Come on, we're not done. You, I'm not talking to you. Come on. She was in this bush over here, so she, all right, break's over. Let's go. All right, we're almost done. We're almost done. Let me see your paw. Wendy. I just like to remind everyone I am not a dog groomer. I will definitely leave this to the professionals, but in Wendy's case, she's kind of like fair game. All right. So, like I was saying earlier, Wendy got into a fly trap, so all of this was very sticky, so I just randomly had to cut some of it out like a week or so ago. My attempt is to try to clean her up. That being said, I am not a professional, so I'm just going to be winging it here. Come here, Wendy. I want to be able to see your eyeballs. You can't really tell a dog just close its eyes either, so it's like... Hey, Wendy. Make sure I don't get her ear. You know, I might go grab my thinning shirt. I think that'll be easier and safer. Okay, Windles.
Hey.
There's a fly that she's trying to catch.
Super cute.
Alright. We're almost done. I'm just grabbing your face and then you can be free. For now.
Right now.
Sit. Have a squat. Wendy. Okay. You gotta stay still then. I know Jacob's here. I know. It's a new person that hasn't been like trying to torture you. Come here. Oh, there's a Habibi out here still.
Yeah, that's the one watching over.
Wendy. Wendy. She's restless at this point. All right, Miss Wendy. I think that's good enough. I think you've been tortured enough. I think you're okay. You're good. All right, Wendy. It's okay. It's okay. Well, that's all we're gonna do for Miss Wendy today. I think she looks better. She's not as matted. That was the goal, is to try to get some of this hair off her. She is an outside dog, so it's like wanted to clean her up a little bit. So thanks for watching. And again, I'm not a dog groomer. And as you can see, Wendy's not the easiest dog to groom. So on that note, thank you for watching. You're all wonderful, beautiful, amazing people. Please stay kind to one another, and we'll see you in the next one. Maybe for a next Wendy haircut. Who knows? All right, Wendy, say bye. Bye.